9-9 for Bailey Rowe. Another good rotation right now. If Corey Lothrop comes through, they can drop DeBritz's 9-7-7-5. It's a good event for Corey Lothrop. She's an All-American on beam. Last week in Arizona, 9.925. That's season high.
Tumbling series right here. Very nice. Small balance check there. Corey, one of the members of the senior class, and there's tremendous leadership, really guiding the freshmen. And you can see that chemistry out on the floor. And what a rotation for Utah.
Last year, Corey Lothrop was always in the beam lineup, but when Utah went up against Arizona State, they switched Lothrop to the anchor spot. She responded against the Gym Devils with a 9.95 on beam.
Well, this was a beautiful dismount, finishing with that 1.5 twist. 6 for 6. That's what every coach wants.
They're going to be able to drop that 9.775. Certainly Lothrop's number is going to be higher than that. Looks like Arizona State is finished